What's the meaning of calf? Calf. Calf.
Calf. Calf. The term calf can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In zoology, a calf typically refers to a young domesticated cow or bull that has not yet reached sexual maturity. In human anatomy, the calf muscles are located at the back of the lower leg and are responsible for flexing the foot downward and enabling us to walk, run, and jump. Additionally, calf can also refer to the fleshy portion of an animal's hind leg that is commonly eaten as meat. Overall, the term calf denotes various aspects of anatomy, livestock, and culinary culture.